Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are amazing. They are low competition and they're high demand, and there are new keywords as well that are trending at the moment because of several reasons. They're really easy to do. I'm going to show you step by step how to do them, how to over deliver as well. We're using 4 free Chrome extensions that I've explained in a previous video to analyze the profitability of each of the Amazon KDP keywords that we're discussing in today's video. Now, if you have not yet subscribed, we do daily videos talking about Amazon KDP keywords, as well as tips and strategies and income reveals to help you get started making passive income online. Now, let's get started with the first keyword for today's video. And the first keyword is desk calendar 2023 to 2024 positive affirmations, and it has an amazing keyword niche score of 58. Total results are also great because they're under 1,000. They're sitting at 331. We also have the bestseller rank, which is average below 300,000, which is sitting at 63,199. Average reviews are 763. So what are you doing here under this keyword? You're basically creating a calendar for 2023 to 2024. Now that we are on the second part of 2023, you can create a calendar for the remaining months, or you can just create a calendar for 2024 but have it revolve around positive affirmation. So I would still take advantage of this massive potential of this keyword, despite the fact that we are on the second half of 2023 at the moment. You're creating a desk calendar, so size here does matter when it comes to desk calendar. Some people also prefer 8.5 times 8.5 inches, which is more of a pocket size desk calendar that has just a quick overview, or maybe like the day and a quote that is a positive affirmation and so forth. It would be like a flip. Or some people like it to be a travel size, a 6 times 9 inches, more like of a notebook size. And also there are people who like it to be a large print, a lot of space to write, a lot of space to take notes, a lot of space to ponder on the calendar as well. So you could have it a large print desk calendar for 2023 to 2024 that revolves around positive affirmations. So it would be like an 8.5 times 11 inches. So here, determining who your target audience would be really does play a big role when it comes to creating a desk calendar under this keyword. Also, you can niche down based on the gender, based on the career, such as for nurses, for teachers, for doctors, for students. You could also niche down based on the types of positive affirmations, because there are different positive affirmations, for example, for career, for success, for love, for family. So many different types as well of positive affirmations. And we do have the analytics section by Self-Publishing Titans that has all the analytics that prove this is a profitable keyword. So I would highly recommend you to go and create a calendar or 2, make it unique, make it stand out. If you're creating, for example, for students, what would you as a student need in a desk calendar? A yearly one? Do you want it to be a daily, a weekly, a monthly as well? There's all these things that you need to take into consideration. If you're creating one for teachers, for example, it needs to be more of a teacher-based organizational kind of calendar that allows them to kind of input, the information that they need for their daily or their weekly or their monthly schedule and so forth. So try to make it as detailed or as abstract or as minimal as you can. What are you aiming for? Would you like to create a minimalistic, or would you like to create a high detailed orientated calendar that is a desk calendar for them to always have on hand? So let's have a look at the second keyword for today's video. And the second one is notebook calendar 2023 to 2024 daily planner for men. And it has keyword niche score of 37. All the other details also do indicate profitability for this keyword. There is a total results of 1,179. Average bestseller is under 300,000, which is at a super low 34,298. The average reviews are 1,270. We also have a confirmation by Amazon Scout Pro, which gives this a keyword niche score of number 6, and you can see that right in the circle in the bottom left corner in yellow as well. So Amazon Scout Pro gives us a keyword niche score between 1 to 9, 9 being the highest, and I'm really happy with number 6 here, and I'm also really happy with the low results and the low bestseller rank. So you're creating here a notebook size calendar that is for the second half 2023 to 2024, and it is also a daily calendar and planner for men. So you're niching down to the calendar, notebook size, the year, that is a daily, and it's also a combination of a calendar and a planner. So it needs to be as detailed as possible, as straightforward as possible, and it is for men. So think about the color scheme, think about the details, think about what kind of information you need to add in as well, and how you can stand out. This is a really great niche, and I highly recommend you do so. You embark on this keyword, and don't be too intimidated by the fact that we are on the second half of 2023. You can also create it for the remaining months, or you can just jot in and create a 2024 calendar and still use this keyword as part of your 7 keyword slots, so it gets still ranking under this keyword right here when people are searching it. So notebook calendar 2023 to 2024 daily planner for men. You could head over to Creative Fabrica and search for the calendar templates under KDP interiors. You would find a massive amount of calendar templates that you will be able to optimize and use. Also, once you head over to Canva, you could also select calendars as well, and you could be able to edit the calendar templates that are there. I wouldn't use them as is because this is against Canva's use policy, and it will get you in trouble. But you could also go over here and click on calendar and just see what kind of templates there are, and you choose a calendar that is preferably for men. You could also change the size, resize it. You could change also the font. You could add in some stuff, take away some stuff. Also, you could search in for a planner as well and see what comes up here. And always remember to change the templates that you're using. Change them by changing the font, the specific main elements that are using, because you don't want to copy and paste that as well. So we did talk about the second keyword for the day. Let's head over to the third and last keyword for the day, which is connected to the previous one, but it is not for men. And our last keyword is notebook calendar 2023 to 2024 daily planner large, and it has keyword niche score of 49. Total results are a little bit too high, sitting at 2,627. Yet I'm very happy with the bestseller rank being at a low average of 42,784, average reviews of 470. And this takes away from the previous keyword the fact that we are diving into the daily planner for men. Instead, what we're doing here under this keyword is we're creating the same thing, but it's not for men. It's a daily planner, but it is the large size. So it's more like an 8.5 times 11 inches, the largest size that we could create as independently published Amazon KDP publishers that way. So 8.5 times 11 notebook size calendar for 2023 to 2024, and it is a daily planner as well. So it needs to be a daily planner that allows people to jot down everything that they need to get started with their day, their to-do list, their brain pump, their mind pump, all that dumped, all that kind of stuff to help them get started with their day and optimize and organize their day. You could also niche down based on the gender, the career, the age groups, so many different things as well, because there is space to niche down. Now let's have a look at some of the Creative Fabrica calendar templates that you could also be using. And there is a link in the description box below for a 30-day all access free trial for Creative Fabrica. You can go ahead and click on that link in the description box below. Also pinned as part of the first comment under this video, and it would allow you to scroll through and have a look at the interiors available and download some as well for that to be able to experiment without buying the actual subscription. So Creative Fabrica, let's have a look at the kind of a notebook calendar, see if something pops up under this. I'm just there is And then as you are scrolling, just always remember to go to the KDP interior filter right over here, and it would only leave us with the KDP interiors over there. So there are a couple of calendar templates that you'll be able to have a look at, and you also have Canva as well. You'll be able to go through and have a look at the calendar ones and change them around. So, and there are a lot of resources for you to take advantage of to embark on the 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords for the day, which is the first one was desk calendar 2023 to 2024 positive affirmations, the second being notebook calendar 2023 to 2024 daily planner for men, and the last keyword for today's video was notebook calendar 2023 to 2024 daily planner large with a keyword niche score of 49. Now, if you enjoyed today's content, subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.